Hi, I'm Daz. I've been rummaging through my loft and I found this, a Sharp QT60. Looking at the styling, it must be from the 1980s. It's a small mono radio cassette recorder with a carrying strap. Just having a quick look over it. It's an AM FM radio, it's got a tape counter, microphone socket. It's got a power socket here and a socket for headphones. Obviously it's not got a mains power supply built into it. I guess that's one of the reasons it's small. Back in the 80s when I was a teenager, I had a similar radio cassette to this one. This size. It might have been a little bit smaller than this actually, I believe. And I used to keep that in the school bag to listen to on the way home. So it's been in the loft. I'm not quite sure what condition it is. Let's see what batteries it takes. Good grief. It takes 6 AA batteries, the looks of it. So it's been in the loft. I'm not sure what condition it's in, but find some batteries or a suitable power jack and have a look what's going on inside. Yeah, it looks like it's got a normal erase head there, so that's good. I noticed there's a beat switch on the back, so maybe it is AC bias. So right, next step I guess is to get it to bits and see what's going on inside. Right, back is off. Conveniently there's a little connector to enable me to take the back right off, so that's very convenient, isn't it? Looking at it, the string is round this side, that's interesting. And ferret bars round this side as well, that's interesting. That looks like a motor speed controller here. Unusual device. I've also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. So I guess that's for the motor speed. There's a little bit of corrosion there. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. These must be the slider pots. Not sure what this board is, but it was plugged into the power supply part. Question is, will the cord come off when I take it apart? The belts got a little bit of tension, but I think I'll change that while we've got it apart. But there's the motor there. It's like back to front construction really. It's definitely different. Definitely different. A few more screws and the front panel has now come off, and a convenient pair of connectors on the speaker, so that's off now. You now see the mechanism a bit more clearly. I can see an auto stop lever. There's the back of the motor. You can see some of the radio, and there's an IC there, along with lots of IF adjusters. And the question is, now I've taken all these screws out, how does it actually still come out? I'm not 100% certain at this moment, but it's wiggling within the case now, but there still seems to be something holding it this end, I think. This end on the right, my right. So, taking off the tuning and plate off the deck, reduced a screw just here, and now it looks like I'm going to be able to lift the cassette mechanism out very carefully. Very conveniently, there's another couple of connectors. Yeah, look at that corrosion on top of the motor. Yeah, some more there. Is it battery leakage, or is it because it's been in the loft? Don't know. But that's very convenient for servicing, very convenient. I like it. Something I should have done probably before I started, but I'm just gonna, there we go. Have we got play? Yes. It's intermittent. I wonder if it's the power switch. Okay, so play's working. There's a little idler there on the take-up spool. Just find rewind. Now that's fast forward. So that's another idler and another idler wheel. And the same idler wheel is pushed on the back for rewind. So that looks good. And there's brakes coming out here. They seem to be stopping it, so a bit rusty, but the idler wheels were certainly a little dirty. So they're certainly gripping a little bit better now, but I'll have to investigate this intermittent motor stop. Hopefully it isn't the motor itself. It might be the power switch on the other side. It might be slightly corroded. Just having a look at some of the circuitry on here. This is interesting. There's printed resistors on the board. Some germanium diodes. This record playback switch is nice and dinky. I can see 3 ICs. I assume that's the audio output. There's another one there. It could be the FM. That's probably something to do, if I can get it in the camera. Where are we? I imagine this single-ended one here is probably something to do with the AM. So the other possibility, I guess, is that IC there, if it's not to do with the radio, which I think it might be the record playback. So only a couple of transistors there. So there's not a lot of circuitry. I'm just trying to see if there's any more ICs hiding away. No, it looks like 3 ICs and a couple of transistors. Which is intriguing. No surface mount, I don't think. Not at this age, anyway. Just in the process of cleaning it up and putting it back together. It's looking quite good, but I've discovered that the power jack is very, very corroded and green, so I think we're going to have to change that. In the finish, I've discovered that the intermittent power is actually caused by the fact that the power socket and beat switch board is cracked. A bit of a mess, pig's ear, but it's holding it together, some wires between the two sides of the PCB. I really need to epoxy that as well. The original power socket, very corroded, and some of the wiring, as you can see, it's gone black and impossible to solder. But that's the cause of the intermittent power issues in any case. I've put my scope across the head. I'm quite surprised how huge the bias signal is. It's quite big. Is that 40 volts? Really? Okay. This is the effect of the beat switch. You can see the bias frequency is shifting slightly. There we go. I wonder if I bring the frequency down more towards the audio. If I shout in the microphone, can we see anything, or tap the microphone? Oh yes, just about. I'm tapping the microphone so you can see the audio superimposed on it. Yeah, just about. Okay, let's try a test recording. It's a one-touch record, so there we go. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Sharp QT60 internal microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. End of test. Okay, let's plug a microphone in. Some random microphone I found. It's a lapel one sort of thing. Okay, let's try again. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing an external microphone on the Sharp QT60. End of test. Right. Rewind. The auto stop doesn't work on rewind because it's one of those tape sensor ones. Let's try it. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Sharp QT60 internal microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. End of test. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing an external microphone on the Sharp QT60. End of test. I think the external microphone definitely sounds a little better. Less pickup of noise, but try the radio next. Right, I'm going to test the radio now. Bit of YouTube music. Rewind the tape. Record. Got variable monitor, that's good. Flick it back to tape. Rewind. Wait for the leader tape. I can hear a little bit of wow and flatter, I feel. Thanks for watching the video. Not a bad little radio to work on. Little disappointed about the wow and flutter, but I'm going to play it for a little while and see if it improves slightly. It might be the motor. The belt's fine, so we'll have to see what happens with this one. Anyway, what was I saying? Oi, don't take me away. I'm talking to the camera. Bring me back. This is not good enough. You know, you shouldn't do this. Oh.